got there?
Gabby's dollhouse egg.
Wow, that looks amazing. How many have you got?
2.
2. So that's 1, 2. 2 Gabby dollhouse surprise.
I wonder what's inside.
I wonder too. I really can't wait to see it. Which one are you gonna open first?
This one.
Okay, let's start with that one.
Open it.
Can you do it?
I need a little help.
Okay, I'll help. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Good.
Let's open it.
Okay, let's see. What are we gonna get? Wait. Before you open it, let's guess. What do you think will be inside?
Gabby's dollhouse character.
Well, which one?
Maybe Candy Fairy.
Kitty Fairy. You want it to be Kitty Fairy. She's so cute. Okay.
Or
Let's see.
Gabby.
Oh, Gabby. I like that one as well.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Yeah.
What?
Whoa.
Oh, it's not a character.
It's a drawing set.
Oh, wow. Activity set kind of thing. Whoa, that's so much fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, look at Pandy and Kitty Fairy.
Oh, let's see.
Look.
Ah, lovely. I think this is the one that did the cowboy character.
I watched this episode before.
Did you like it?
Of course I did.
Me too. And the other picture?
Gabby and Pandy.
Gabby and Pandy, how cute.
And they're hugging each other.
Oh, lovely. And there's one more.
Gabby and Baby Ball.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. So which one are you going to color in?
This one.
Good. But there's one more thing in there. What's this?
Stickers.
Stickers. Where are we going to put the stickers? Should we put it on the egg or the pictures? What do you think?
I want to put it on the egg.
I think it's going to be so much fun to put it on the egg. Okay, let's design the egg. Make it really lovely. Because right now it's just purple with no design.
Yeah, this is boring.
Let's mix it up. So which one are you going to get first?
I like this one.
Who's that?
Cakey. I like
Cakey.
Can I put it right here?
Okay, we've got Cakey on the egg. And who's going up next?
Gabby Wiggle with a ukulele. Hey, egg.
Ukulele.
Hey, egg, come back. I'm gonna put her right next to Cakey.
Nice.
I'm gonna put her right here.
Oh, that is lovely.
Now, Pandy Pass.
Pandy.
He's dancing.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pandy is Gabby's best friend, so in her hand.
Oh, lovely. That looks perfect. Beautiful.
But how about some decoration?
Okay.
Ooh.
Whoopsie, 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 whoopsie.
Mama! That is not how it goes.
That's how it goes. That is pretty. Okay, let's do some coloring.
Okay. Open these.
Ooh, which colors do you have then? You've got blue,
Pink
pink, and
and gray.
good job.
These are all Gabby's dollhouse pens.
Nice. All right, let's see some coloring.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay.
It,
So you color in the hair. That is lovely. Okay. Good job.
we need black for this bit, but I'm gonna change it to brown.
Okay.
Brown's good ear. There we go.
That looks very pretty. Okay, do you want to see what's in the other egg?
Yeah.
Okay, let's clear out this one and see what's in the other one. Maybe it's another activity one again.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That was close.
Very close. Good catch. So press it together and it pops open. Good job!
It is.
Oh, another activity
We
set.
are both one.
So you've got two to play around with and do some more colorings.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.